What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to create a Patreon account. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. So the first thing you need to do is to go over to patreon.com, and at the top right corner, you have log in or get started. Now, because you want to create your account, you need to click on get started. Now you'll be taken to this page where you can continue with Google or Apple or Facebook. Alternatively, you can use your email address to continue. We'll be doing that in our case. So after choosing what you will be using, we'll click on continue. Right here, you'll need to put your name and create a password. And now we've inputted a name and a password which we created, and we're going to click on continue. Now on this page, you'll need to decide what you want to do with Patreon. At the bottom, you can see not a creator, just a fan, and you can click this button and you'll have a Patreon account as a supporter or a fan. And when you do this, your account will be set up and ready to go. All you need to do is to go over to patreon.com again, put in your username or email and your newly created password. However, if you're creating a Patreon account as a creator, you'll need to go ahead and put in your creator name. So here we just created any name, Redstone Tech, as the name we want to have as our creator name. And one more thing you need to make sure of, there is a box which says, my page isn't suitable for people under 18. You'll need to check this box if it applies to you. And at this point, we'll click on continue to create Patreon account as a creator. And right here, this shows you your extension of your Patreon account. You can see patreon.com/redstone tech. And you can also see that it's available. That's why you have the green tick. If your name is not available, you'll be required to make some editing to adjust the name to something that is available. Since all is good, we'll click on continue. Now, because you're a creator, you're going to need to help your fans find you faster, and that's what you want. So you'll need to connect all the applicable social media sites such as YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, or TikTok. This is important to help your fans find you faster. But if you're not ready for that, you can go ahead and click on skip for now. And right here, you can see your newly created Patreon account. At the bottom left corner, you can see your creator name and the fact that you're already a creator just underneath your name. Then on the left side, you have these other tabs such as library, audience, insights, payouts, promotions, and the rest of them. You can also go to your settings from here as you have the settings option right here. However, on the main side, you can see a purple banner. Now, this can be changed to suit your needs. Also, you can see the R, which is the initial of your creator name. This also can be changed to your profile picture. As a creator, you want to make your page as attractive as possible and can relate to your fans. Remember, before we actually skipped adding our socials, right here you can add your socials according to your needs. Because we're creating this account, we'll also need to go ahead and verify our email. So when you see this, you just want to go ahead to the top right corner and click on verify email. When you do this, your Patreon account as a creator will be successful. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.